Just look at these beautiful thumbnails. I mean, they look like something a professional designer must have spent hours on, right? Not really. It was just a simple prompt, and boom, a professional-looking thumbnail in seconds. Let's see how you can create something like this too. First, head over to Google AI Studio. From here, choose the Chat option. You'll see a bunch of cool models like Nano Banana, Imagen 4, and more. We're going with Imagen 4 New. It's amazing for generating images. Just keep in mind it currently has a limited free quota, but with the API, you can generate as many as you like. Now, in the message box, I'll paste my prompt. Create a clean, eye-catching YouTube thumbnail showing a laptop with PowerPoint slides appearing automatically from chat.z.ai. Add bold text, create PowerPoint with AI. Use bright blue and purple tones with a modern tech look. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube thumbnails. You can even mention it directly in your prompt. AI will take care of it. All right, let's hit run. You can see it's processing. The time taken is also shown here. And boom! There we go! Our beautiful thumbnail, generated in no time. Let's download it and take a look. Wow, just look at that! It understood the prompt perfectly and gave us exactly what we wanted. So that's it, guys, for this quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!